maybe that one king and then king Chedekia. Emi stop him stop against king Nebuchadnezzar. After he becomes a king Nebuchadnezzar with the soldier of him with the stop trying to killing him. But the will get up Jerusalem Bay. After King Chedekia, he diamond stop him. He sabe where he from him against law. King Nebuchadnezzar, he make up and make him crown. And he give him a crown around one stone wall him. They block him say after the look I'm killing him. And he hide from the so they can make him fight with them. He is tapuko and Catholic from where he make him small people blame or the stop hungry too much, may come knock at Kakai. That is the problem. The hungry too much of the stop problem, we can say. Well, soldier of Babylonia, they come with the breaking people a stone wall. After they come inside, pay king with the soldier plane will be passed through local and looking after the runway. And the runway go pay. Only running home after Keta Babylonia, they come with the running multita, the pop as a multita. After the Caramalteta, the kidding soldier, when the Carama king come, after the kidding one beginning in Blehem, the face Blehem no. For him will look more after we take him out to fill a eye Blehem, when we take him in for some prisoner or the Babylon. But time king Nebuchadnezzar, the bully, and we one of something when we became the time, and we born in house no. And Mr. Pula Tame, him got one advice of him when the him and Sarata, him got advice of him, go him to take him on one, and he called him for the townhouse before. Then we take him on tea when he's stealing on something and stuff no time. And stealing of when we take him on the town, we out with him. After they take a market up law or man today, he comes to slave law. Only take a more man too, or poor man will in the Colgate step. Don't stop it from within a lock at crown, we came within the Colgate step. Only take a more only not a man where only cut something and we take a market with the market. After a man, he comes to the time when man today, he comes to slave from Babylon. And he comes to slave after he got one man when he put him up here the time when he became a man a man with district project all the time and he put him here he comes to money and he look at them Kaufman project all Judah. Mana yang dikatakan mereka negeri kita lihat hanya yang satu kata mereka letak making kalau saya mikirkan hanya kami start yang kata mereka letak lebih ikan sama melipin kami kan letaknya mau start berita lembahan se kalau kita lupa itu masuk kita lupa Babylonia ini start pas kami kita sekarang mulai start fresh kita. When we first start opening Kenya, after the descend one way, and then Ishmael he become behind the him he become of the killing man, but killing man only put him in church district, only killing him with it. But become only the killing him with it after the time I got one of the king, we stop the time and the king Elfin Nerota, me. Stop the time, him come king the time, him come releasing King Judah from King Judah, and stop replacing him, and come releasing him for free, him put him become in charge to give him one position inside of Bethlehem, him stop him one time.
So something we treat the tokwa